Sometimes you might be working on some kicks and you might not have all the tools that you really need. I just finished doing some work on these right now. See how crispy they look. Okay, looking like they just fell out the back of a truck straight out the stove. But I need the paint to dry. Alright, this is what I'm going to use. You don't have a heat gun, is the next best thing. Works just as well, trust me. Don't put it too close though, and don't put it at the seams because you don't want it getting unglued. So you gotta be careful how you use it. Keep on moving it. Don't leave it in one position for too long because you'll be surprised how hot this thing gets. Okay, now as you can see, I just finished these and they look really good. You know what I'm saying? So these are the Jordan 4 Tours. They was looking all twisted up and messed up. I did a repaint on them. I did all the white over the whole, everything, the tongue, sides, back, everywhere, midsole too. Right now they just looking, ready to wear. All they missing is their laces. The laces are still soaking. So once I wash those out, dry them up, these are ready to go.